So friends, this is our index.html file. Okay, inside index.html, we link font away some, okay, CDN file. So you can search on Google and copy and paste. Okay, sorry. And this is our link. We are here, we link style CSS. Okay, and here we link script file. Okay, and we define one class which name is button. Okay, inside this class div, we define one more button. Okay, this is our main button. So initially it's look like this. Okay, so inside this we also define one more div which last name is button categories. Okay, inside this we define 5 and 6 anchor tag. Okay, why we define anchor tag? Because we will link our Facebook and some Facebook, YouTube, okay, link. So for linking we use a tag, anchor tag. Okay, and second one is LinkedIn, third one is YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube, so we just link one as an example. Okay, target blank means whenever we click on this button, so the YouTube open will be new tab. Okay, in Chrome section I will show you. And this is another is Instagram. Okay, and Twitter and Facebook. Okay, so this is our HTML section. Okay, so here you can see it's look like this. Whenever I click on YouTube, YouTube will be open in separate tab. Okay, so this is our style.css, right? Okay, first of all I define HTML tag. Inside HTML tag we define font size. Okay, 62%, box size, border box. Okay, and this is a font smoothing, and also for this is WebKit. Okay, Mozilla, and one more HTML and static tag. So mean inside HTML, in HTML tag, all HTML tag. Okay, target. So box size inherit. Okay, so this is body tag. So inside body tag we take position relative. Okay, place content center, minimum height 100 ph, font size 1.5 rem, family sans serif, display grid, background. So it's look like initially this. Okay, so here I am just taking buttons class. So this is our buttons. Okay, button class. So it will be position relative and z index 1. Okay, now it's time to define button toggle. Okay, this class. So inside it will be appear none. Okay, z index 1. Give me a second. Okay, and position relative, text decoration none, and justify center at font size 0. Okay, display flex, cursor point, and border radius, text shadow, color, box shadow, border, background, alignment item center. So this is width and height. So initially it's look like this. Okay, so it's time to hover. When we hover the button, so text decoration, text shadow. On hover we just change text hover effect. Okay, text shadow, and also we define button toggle, focus and active. So background color, text shadow and dark shadow. So when we hover or focus, it look like this. Okay, now it's time to define. So now it's look like this, toggle and icon. So this is our icon. Okay, I. So here we define button category. Okay, this is button category. This is parent category of all these button. Okay, So it's z index 0, transition, transform origin, center and translate. Okay, now it's look like this. Top 0, 50 and position absolute. Now it's look like this. Left. So it's time to button cat 1. Font will be 3.2 rem. Okay. It's time to focus, shadow, box shadow, and background color. So however, will be same. Now it's time to make button category. So appear, none. Okay. Align item center, transition, text origin. Okay. And translate are top, position absolute. So it will behind this icon. Okay. Left, text decoration none, justify, content center, font size, display flex. Okay. Cursor pointer, text shadow, color, box shadow, border, border radius, background color. Okay. Width and height. Okay. So this is our first class button cat child 1. It will be translate x-axis, y-axis and rotate 0. So child 2, okay, and child 3 and child 4 and child 5. Okay, it's translate, just I am using transform, translate property and rotate property. Okay, so here I just use, so initially it's look like this. So here button cat child 1, okay, transition delay, so you can see effect. Okay, okay, wait, this is 4th and this is 5th, this is 6th. So this is our button active class. So this, so now it's time to make this class active class. So now it's not working. Okay, because this active class is not defined yet in this section, HTML section. So for that we are going to use JavaScript. So here I just button component that target query selector buttons. Okay, if I just console, you can see but what inside in button component. Okay, so come here and just inspect. So this is buttons. Okay, inside the buttons we have button toggle and button category. So it's query selector buttons. Okay, so it target button class. So button class each, this is button class, this is and this is. So it's get all these HTML. Okay, you can see here. Okay, inside button category we define these and this. So here we just button toggle, button toggle. Okay, this is our toggle class. So now I am just targeting this button. Okay, and button toggle add image listener. So we add image listener on button toggle. So whenever we click, okay, so this event listener will be called. Okay, and this is function toggle button. Okay, I just here make alert. So whenever we click on this button, okay, it show this. So it whenever we click on button toggles, so this function is called. So type of event listener, there is many type of event listener. So I just event, so I just here click on pre, there is many, you can search on Google. So button toggles dot class list toggle button toggle active. Okay, so here I am just toggle active class. We are going to add here, add extra class in HTML section. Okay, and this is another component list toggle button. So now I click on, you can see here. Okay, I just, so this, you can see, and also define document active element blur. Okay, so initially it's look like this. It's very beautiful animation. If your site has any type of social icon, every site has icon, so you can use this. So if I click on YouTube, so it will open YouTube. Okay,